eBOM training video using the copy paste special function. Returning to my demo project of a 4-bay building, bay 4 is minus its gable end wall. I'm going to use the gable end wall from bay 1 as a basis for a new gable end wall for bay 4. So right click on bay 4 in the Explorer and choose open to open its bill of materials page. Find the gable end wall on bay 1, right click and choose copy. Below the grid, right click and choose paste special. A dialog appears where I can choose project specific and modify the description of the new assembly. Fixings for 3 roller shutters. The new assembly is added to the bottom of my bill of materials. Now I need to modify the bill of materials for the project specific assembly. Right click on it and choose open. The bill of materials page appears. Now I'm going to use the same technique to create 2 new project specific components, replacing the blank steel wall panels. So right click on item 1, choose copy, and right click below the grid, choose paste special. Again, I'll make this project specific. Fixings for roller shutter. Repeat the process for item 2, copy, paste special, project specific. Fixings for roller shutter. Okay. Now, can change the item reference. These are going to replace items 1 and 2 in a moment. I'll also want 2 of these. The other thing I need to do is choose the operation that they're used on. Now I can remove the original item 1 and item 2 from the bill of materials. Right click, delete, right click, delete. I can resort the grid by clicking on the item ref header. Now, the only thing left to do is add a supplier reference to these 2 new components so we can get a price. So right click, open supplier refs. Use the supplier filter on the browser. Find the appropriate supplier. Drag the supplier onto the supplier ref page and set the price of £120 for each for those, and £150 for that one. Okay, I can close my tabs now. If we look back to the Explorer, if I click on bay 4 and press F5, you can see the bill of materials refreshes. And there we can see, if I expand the screen a little bit, we can see our new assembly. Fixings for 3 roller shutters with the new components, new project specific components. End of demo.